भाजपाचो हळदोणेचो आमदार ग्लेन टिक्लो पोर्तुगीज नागरीक आशिल्ल्यान ताची वेंचणूक रद्द करपा खातीर आपूण रोखडोच कोर्टांत केस घालपाचो आसा अशें आदलो आमदार राधाराव ग्राशियासान उलोवन दाखयलां. गोवा सुदारप संस्थेन घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय गोवन यूथ परिशदेचे उक्तावण सुवाळ्यात राधारावान ही गजाल उलोवन दाखयली. भारत सरकारान दुहेरी नागरिकत्व दिवचें अशी मागणी राधारावान केल्या. बाणवलेचो गोविपाचो आमदार कायतू सिल्वाचेरूय हायकोर्टात सध्या असलीच केस चल्ल्या.
In Nagaland and Mizoram, you and I cannot go and purchase land. Only the Nagas can purchase the land. And that is a major problem in Goa. The major problem in Goa is, now in Nagaland, only the voters will be the local people. Consequently, if you must have land, you must live there to be able to vote. In Goa, what is happening? We are finding ourselves completely overwhelmed. For which part of you are responsible? Because you leave Goa and create a vacuum. And vacuum, nature abhors a vacuum. That vacuum has to be filled up. So when our people leave, others come in. At the same time, we don't want outsiders to come in. I mean, this is what is happening. Nagaland and Mizoram, government has protected their laws also. Now that protection is there for us, not because the government of India has protected it. Goa is the only state in the Republic of India which has a common law. In fact, today in the current assembly, there are two MLAs who may have to be disqualified because one of them there is already a petition. He is registered in Portugal as a Portuguese citizen. And the second fellow, Glenn Souza Tiklo, I am in the process of filing a petition as a lawyer from some party in the next week. So two MLAs may be disqualified because they are Portuguese nationals.
वास्को रेल्वे ट्रॅकाचेर राविल्ल्या एका तरणाट्याक रेल्वेन बुडयलो. रेल्वेच्या धपक्यान बरोच मार लागिल्ल्यान ताका हॉस्पिटलांत घालो. ताचें नांव सुजीत कुमार पटेल, वय 22. ही गजाल सकाळी घडली. मल्टिपल इंजुरीज जाल्ल्यान ताका उपचार चलयतना मेडिकलांत मरण आयलें. ट्रेनीन धपको दिलो तेन्ना तो मोबायलाचेर पदां आयकूंक गुल्ल आशिल्लो. ते शिवाय ट्रॅकाचेर रावन सैमीक विधी करतालो अशें एक्सिडेंट पळोवपी सांगतात.
हो पळयात मोबायल फोन. ह्या मोबायलान सुजीत कुमार पटेल ह्या 22 वर्साच्या तरणाट्याचो घात घेतलो. मूळ बिहारचो आशिल्लो हो तरणाटो शांतीनगर वास्को वाठारांत आयतारा सकाळीं रेल्वे रुळाचेर सैमीक विधी करपाक गेल्लो. ह्या वेळार मोबायला वयली गितां आयकतालो. गाडी आयकपाक सामको गुल्ल आशिल्ल्यान रेल्वेचो आवाज आयकूंक आयलो ना. गोवा एक्सप्रेसान ताका धपको दिलो आनी तो गंभीर जखमी जालो. चिखले हॉस्पिटलांत मुळावे उपचार केल्या उपरांत ताका बांबोळे धाडलो. बांबोळे पावचे पयलींच त्या तरणाट्याक मरण आयलें. वास्कोच्यान आमचो खबराकार सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
फोंडेच्या पुलिसांनी 2 म्हयन्या फाटीं कुट्टी जप्त केल्लो तांदूळ अजूनय पुलीस स्टेशना मुखार आनी कुट्टी गुदावांत तसोच पडून आसा. बोरयेच्या 110 फामिलींची शेणां पुलिसांनी जप्त केल्यात. तांकां अजूनय डुप्लिकेट रेशन कार्डां मेळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान ह्या लोकांक फाटले 2 म्हयने रेशन मेळूंक ना. सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण नागरी पुरवण संचालकान सांगूनय फोंडेच्या नागरी पुरवण अधिकाऱ्यान अजूनय रेशन कार्डां दिवंक ना.
आम्ही जवळ 110 रेशन कार्डां माझ्या कस्टडीन आसा. वी हॅव सीज्ड दोज रेशन कार्ड फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ एविडन्स and subsequently I have written to the Director of Civil Supplies to issue them duplicate cards. So Director of Civil Supplies was personally contacted by me and he has assured that he would give, and he has directed the local authorities, Civil Supplies Inspector and Mamledar to issue duplicate ration cards. The process is on and I don't think that it should cause any inconvenience. There should not be any inconvenience to the general public. I have written immediately after the seizure, maybe after 3 to 4 days.
So almost 1 month.
More than 1 month has passed. This process is on. It is with the collector. He has asked for the certain documents which I have already furnished in the last week.
Any idea how much time it will take to?
No idea about that. It is with the district collector. But I have furnished the documents last week.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.